The project was a very early February project down in Austin. The client didn't come to us until January. So we had basically less than 30 days to pull a major project for UT together, design it, execute it, get it, I shouldn't say execute it, but get it trucked down there, get it installed, run the program, and get out. And we were able to do that very effectively, and we impressed UT, thus getting a great deal of return business from them. But that particular project was a very fast-paced, very quick executed project with 2.5 trucks worth of gear. So it worked out really well. The hardest thing on that project was getting our airline reservations. Working with your lighting designers and riggers and things like that, they're able to help fill in a lot of the blanks on how to best execute the design. Then coming in and sitting through pre-programming and things like that, the nice thing is with this facility, we can pre-package and pre-build our show before taking it on site, and thus our load in, our execution is much more timely. One of the things that I realized very early on working with Scott is that Scott was always willing to go that next step and go that extra mile with looking at new types of gear that would better suit the type of production business that we do. And one of the things that I've had the pleasure of doing is working with you guys for several years and looking at how your inventory has changed and always been on the cutting edge of what is out there and what is available. Again, giving us a wider array and inventory of equipment and design elements to pull from. I've always been impressed with how things have been maintained and cared for. We always know that when equipment is coming from ILC, it's going to show up on time, it's going to be in good working condition, and it's going to look great as well. The other companies that I've had the experience to use, without getting into all of that, ILC has just always met my expectations as far as level of professionalism and what I expect as far as show quality goes with personnel on site.